God no make him yet. Cause if a man want to do what he do, if a man wants to do what he want to do as far as cheating is concerned, nothing you do will stop him. Your pum pum could have tighter than tight. Okay, you could have give the best blowjob in your life. You could have cook, clean, wash, and scrub out in shit up underwear. Okay, there is nothing you can do to stop. Hi guys, so today's video is gonna be about Matey. Jamaican Matey them want Matey hunters. Jamaican women want Matey hunters to blood clot. How this though, God? How this? What is not this? Them want Matey hunter. Well, they never say them want hood hunter. So that them man can stop fuck everything way up and then crutches with them. Well, they never say that. When I want Matey hunter? Really? Really? When I think that will stop man from fuck who they want fuck? God no. Anyways, we'll get into this news article. Some Jamaican women have admitted that they would fork out big bucks to professional mistress hunters to covertly get rid of their lovers' side chicks and save their marriages. Stacey Powell told the Star that side chicks have wrecked her relationship multiple times in the past, so she would pay for the service to save her marriage. Me did I come from far with the first man and me let go after me find out about the side woman. Me not let go that one you here, so me would find the money for the service because me build a life with this one, she explained. The Star has learned that the mistress hunters have become big business in China, where desperate wives hire trained professionals that are sent undercover to meet and persuade side chicks to end the affair. One of the company's Shanghai Wing network charges clients nearly 100,000 or 1.8 million per case. Jamaican, that's 1.8 million Jamaican dollar per case. What a bumbo. You know how much something me can do with 1.8? Me can build a business, build a fucking... Me can build a whole blood clot. I can build a whole hotel. Me can build about 10 business at Jamaica. Me can feed about 5 billion poor pitney. Me can take about 10 million pitney. 10 billion pitney off of the road. Me can feed all I hungry pitney in Jamaica with 1.8 million. Only need me to go on about all I see me can do with 1.8. Me not think I understand. Wait, let's continue this video. The business is two-pronged. The business is two-pronged where one side therapist evaluated the crisis within the marriage and worked out a way to maintain it, while the other side mistress hunters use psychological methods to persuade the third parties to end their affairs. Me guess the blood clot. Already. Thought professional mistress hunters are not yet on the island. Trevor Valentine, who operates Valentine Private Investigators in Jamaica, told the Star that he would offer similar service at clients' request once it is within the confines of the law. He added that most persons who employ his services are suspicious of wives or girlfriends. If I get 50 calls for the day, I can bet you that 45 of them is about cheating spouses or infidelity, he said. There is seemingly an exploitable market here in Jamaica, as several women who spoke with the Star said that they would do what it takes to get rid of their relationship of mistresses. Most side chicks get all the love, all the excitement, all the attention, and the wife not get as much. So if me can get rid of she, me would pay any money once me have it. Marian Salder, who is in a 6-year relationship, admitted. Tavia Kerr, who has been with her man for 10 years, said she would also use the service as she has fought side chicks for him already. On the other hand, Katie Brown said she believes only those for a certain class would employ these services. Wealthier side would. Poor people not go care about that. Them man have all 3 baby mothers. Them just want get tomorrow's dinner and lunch money, she said. I true that. If a man, let me beat and teach you, let me educate you now. If a man wants to cheat, he is going to cheat. Whether him tell you about it or him not tell you about it, or you find out about it or you not find out about it, or your highest investigators or pen up your heap of money. If a man wants to cheat, he is going to cheat. Your pum pum not too good, you're not too pretty, you know take care of what your house enough. Like if there is any gap in a relationship or any room for cheating, and one man want cheat, him I go cheat. So no matter what, if I get the side chick out of the problem, there's still gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18 more side chick they wait. Okay? They in a line. Okay? In a formation line. Like straight like arrow. They wait. Stand up in a line, they wait for your man. So if he want cheat, a fee business if he want cheat. If he can jeopardize your relationship for sex, or whether it's emotional needs or whatever it is as far as cheating is concerned, because some people categorize flirting as cheating, some people think it's not cheating, so depending on where you want to take it, if he can ruin your relationship based on physical needs or emotional needs, and just dropping a relationship like that over some girl or some pum pum or some attention, then your relationship didn't mean anything to him. So it's not up to you if you find matey and find mistresses and find woman to leave your man alone. It's up to your man to know that my relationship is important to me. I value this woman. I value her. So me not go cheat on her and make other girl have her and laugh off her in a street, in a these streets, and have her they look like coffee, and have her look like clown, and have this a girl over there and you have the next one gossip about it no look good. Not it no look good pan the woman, it no look good pan the man. Okay? But Jamaican men have the stereotypical behavior that they always get away with stuff. If them have 5, 10, 15 gal, them a gallus. But if one woman have 5, 10, 15 man, them a manis, and them a whore, and them a this and that. But this goes to show you that Jamaican people, especially Jamaican women, are very backwards in their thinking, because who this a gal? Me? Hire matey hunter fish man, you know, make it. Okay? God no make him yet. Cause if a man want to do what he do, if a man wants to do what he want to do as far as cheating is concerned, nothing you do will stop him. Your pum pum could have tighter than tight. Okay, you could have give the best blowjob in your life. You could have cook, clean, wash, and scrub out in shit up underwear. Okay, there is nothing you can do to stop him. So me hope maybe it can teach you enough. Cause that's my thoughts and opinions on that. Me wouldn't hire no matey hunters, and me not paying my money for no matey hunters. If anything, me box and kick up one old girl. And that's that. Psych. I'm playing. Me now box and kick up nobody here. Don't take me too serious. But honestly, I wouldn't hire no matey hunters. Me know enough women would hire them, but me not hire no matey hunters. Me have my money. 1.8. 1.8. Me blood clot. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. If you guys would actually hire matey hunters. In the interview said maybe the rich and wealthy of Jamaica, but liquor all this year, me no ma'am. Me coulda rich like bitch. Okay, it not happen. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. I want to hear from the man them, and I want to hear from the woman them. I want to hear the man them when them say about them side chick and them matey and them mistress and all that. And I want to hear from the woman them when them think about side chick, matey and all that. And if them a side chick or matey. And I want to hear, because I think this video is going to be so funny and the comment section is going to be lit. Okay? So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce. Love y'all.